You know that autumn is approaching when you spot Alex in Tampere at the Subcontracting Fair, a meeting place for manufacturing industry companies, decision-makers, and experts from Finland and around the world. The Subcontracting Fair exhibits the latest innovations and the future of industry. Face-to-face meetings are known to be the most productive encounters. At the fair, Alex makes the key deals of the year and meets new and familiar faces. Alex wants to create business from data. He's looking for partners with whom he can refine the data his company has amassed into profitable business in a smart and secure way. This will push profitability and competitiveness to new heights. Alex is keeping his finger on the pulse. Are you?